So Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1 should be here with me today for this because she made this soap. She's not, but she will be talking to us in the video about her soapy inspiration and what her overall thoughts were for all of it. And I'm going to tell you all about the soap that she's making and why she's making it in just a minute. But before I do, hello, I am Mrs. Soap and Clay. Let's make stuff. How's it going, Sudsers? Welcome back to the channel. You are at Soap and Clay, where we make all the soapy things, and sometimes we make all the soapy things with the Soap and Clay Kidlets. And that is what we are doing for day 363 of 365 days of soap. Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1 is making her very own soap. Now, this is not new. She's done this on the channel before, and she's done this just in general in life, in the soap shop, often. But we are doing it this way today because this is kind of how we started the channel in the beginning. We did this whole gemstone soap with the kids very early on instead of going to Disney when COVID shut everything down, all the things. Yes, and so it felt fitting for the end of year 1 to bring them back on to make some soap. And so that's what we are doing today. Now I'm going to stop talking here because Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1 is obviously way more fun to talk to than I am. So let's go to the video and we can talk to her about her soapy inspiration and all of the things. Okay, so we are ending the channel much like we started. It's the Soap and Clay Kidlets are gonna make some soap, and that is Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1's design. And Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1 is actually here with me today to tell us all about her soap. So hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am making the soap.
You're making the soap, yeah, totally. And what did we decide to scent this with? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
It was quite the blend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we did some wintergreen spearmint from the Alice and Charlie bars, and some Baja cactus,
Yeah.
and some black pepper bergamot.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, totally. So you're mixing this up, and I'm kind of showing you how to mix, so like pulse and mix,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And with this, you wanted to do layers, right? Is that what your picture said?
Yep.
Cool. And so I'm measuring off some soap for your first layer. Do you remember what color your first layer is?
Green.
It's green. Oh, there it is. It's green. Indeed. Yeah. And so with this, what was the reason behind your design?
Oh, so I just really wanted to make like a flower garden or something because why not?
Yeah, totally. You wanted to make a flower garden.
Yeah.
Because why not?
I also really like flowers.
I mean, who doesn't like flowers? So with this scent blend that's going in, we're just putting a little bit in at a time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to mix it up and pour in your first layer?
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. And with this batter, did we get it kind of thick because you're doing layers?
Yeah.
And not swirls?
Yeah.
Right, totally. Yes. And do you remember what happens after this?
No.
We pour it.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, so let's go check out the pour of your first layer. Okay, and onto the pour here. And so you're gonna put all that green soap batter in there. And your liner started to pull away, so I had to help you out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, was the Pyrex really heavy?
No.
It wasn't heavy?
Mm-mm.
Cool.
Not
Awesome.
at all.
I like it. That's awesome. Now, your next layer, do you know what color it is?
Blue.
You think you're doing blue?
Purple, actually.
Purple. Okay, purple. I like it. All right. Cool. And for this purple, I don't remember what this purple is called. This one is definitely from Brambleberry, though. That's why I don't remember what it's called, because Brambleberry's labels always peel off, or wear off. But you have some good stirring skills there.
Thanks.
Yeah, they're pretty good. You did a good job keeping it right there in the middle there too. It can get really hard to mix all of this up.
True.
Yeah, like really hard. Like you even changed hands there. Look at that. You're really tired. And we have the scent going in here. Well, I can see your curls. Do you see your curls there?
Yeah.
That means that your face is really close to the soap. That's not safe.
No.
That's super dangerous. But you were wearing goggles, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Oh, now, what was going on here?
Oh, so I accidentally poured the purple in the wrong way, so it just started going in there, so I had to swirl it.
So you started pouring it, and you realized as it was falling into the green that it wasn't on top, and you wanted layers, right? Mm-hmm. And so then you had to kind of change your design on the fly. Were you expecting the purple just to sort of sit on top of the green?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. And it can do that. Oh, we're going to do some cool swirling skills here. I love it. It can do that if the layer underneath is set up enough, right? Mm-hmm. But if it's not, you have to kind of pour it different. Now, do you remember what I showed you for how to pour the next layer?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
I went down so I could go down the sides too.
Oh, but tell it so the people can hear.
Yeah, so I had to pour the thing down the sides so it would work. Yeah,
totally, exactly. So, and those are the options. And so I think I may have shown you in all of this the options. Look at you, so close. It's such a good thing you're wearing goggles.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But when you're leaning over a big counter like this that's super tall, like as tall as you, it gets to be tough. I get it. Without, and still getting into the frame for the shot. I get it.
Yeah.
So I think, I was showing you. So there's options for this. To lay it down so you don't break into the layer beneath, you can very gently put a nice layer of, the next color down like that and then pour over. Or you can do wall pours and then kind of push everything down. And you decided to do a wall pour. And so I just kind of have my finger in the Pyrex there, helping you guide it to keep it right against the wall. Was it hard for you to keep the nozzle against the wall?
No.
No, it wasn't? Good. Good. Yeah, so this is your blue layer.
Yep.
And originally you were going to go with 5 layers for this, right? Mm-hmm. But the measurements were off. Mommy mismeasured.
Do you notice that the Pyrex is kind of just floating?
That the Pyrex, it looks like it's floating for sure. Because we can't see your hand there. Like, oh, there's your hand. All right. Okay, now this is not the last layer. You still get another one, right?
Mm-hmm. One more though.
What's your last layer?
Teal.
Teal. Okay, you picked some really cool flowery colors for this. I like it. Mm-hmm. Of course you put purple in.
Yeah.
Because purple's the best, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the last layer will be the teal thing. And then are you done after that?
Yeah.
You are?
No.
No. What else did you decide to do?
I shouldn't tell them yet.
Oh, you don't want to tell them yet?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. You're going to keep the suspense going.
Yeah.
You're a complete pro with your stirring skills at this point. Look how fast you're going. Also, I sped that up a little bit, but you're going very fast.
Yeah, I was going really fast.
Yeah. Now I dumped the rest of the scent into that. And then you're going to do the pour thing. Now, are you doing a wall pour for this one too?
Yes.
You going to do a wall pour?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Somebody actually commented on one of my videos recently, and they're like, so how long in between pouring and audio is it? Because you never seem to know what's going on. And I'm like, yeah, that's, well, A, I feel attacked, but 2, that's just my life because we make so much soap. Like, how long ago did you make the soap? Do you know?
No.
You don't know how long you made the soap?
Like, it's about 17 minutes.
17 minutes ago you made the soap?
No, but like 2 days ago we made this soap, but it took us 17 minutes.
Oh, that's right. That's how long the soap. That's right. I can't believe you remembered that. That's how long the original footage was. But yeah, 2 days ago we made the soap, and so in answer to the kind of mean query, we did the audio almost immediately, but we make so much soap in a day that we still forget things, right? Mm-hmm. We have busy lives. So these are your flowers.
Yeah.
I like the flowers.
Thank you.
They're very beautiful, for sure. Now, that's really gorgeous placement of these flowers, for sure. Now, is that all you're putting on?
No.
No, what else are you putting on?
I'm not going to tell them.
Oh, you're not going to tell the viewers. Okay. Oh, what are they? What are they? You're still not going to tell us? We can't quite see.
They're little animals.
They're little animals. Okay, yes, they're very cute. They look like little gummy animals, but not gummies.
Yeah.
Now, these are made out of cold processed soap.
Yeah. And this is actually a gummy holder thingy we use to make those, like real gummy holder thingies. We use it only once.
Yeah, that's true. We used it once to make little gummy candies, right? And then they made their way to the shop. And so now I use them for other things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope we can use them again someday.
Totally, yeah,
For their
absolutely.
real purpose.
For their real purpose and not the soap purpose, for sure.
Yeah.
Now, this beauty is going to go into the oven for C-pop and gel as soon as you're done with all of your placement.
Yeah.
And then we are going to cut it. But we're going to show all the people the cut right now because, you know, we've already done that little thing. So, yeah, let's go check out that pretty cut. Yeah, high five. Yes. Okay, and on to the cup. And why do you think this video is less than 17 minutes long, considering the first part that you remember, the pouring was 17 minutes?
Because you sped it up a little and stuff like that.
Yeah, did some edits. But look how pretty that is. Do you like that?
Yeah.
That's really pretty. It did some interesting discoloration and stuff with all the different scents that we put in.
While Mom was cutting this, so I literally was just staring at the animals and making sure none of them got harmed.
Yeah, you were big worried about that, and I think we did cut through a couple of them, right?
You didn't cut through any of them.
No, I didn't. Oh, for Soap Clay Kidlet number
God.
2s. Yeah, we did some decapitations on hers, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, there you are. There you are. Hey, when did you put fingernail polish on? Oh, was that when cousins were over?
Yeah, and Izzy
Oh, that's pretty bar of soap.
and our friends and our cousins turned me into an ice cream cone.
Oh, I remember that now. Yeah, that was a good time. That's such a gorgeous bar of soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
I'm happy with that. I think that looks great.
How would I not be happy with that?
I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, look, Sissy's there.
Yep.
She wants you to pull that one next, and you're like, no, stop. Stop it. Stop it. I'm going to pull where I want to.
Yeah, because she found no, I'm not going to spoil it.
You're not going to spoil it? She keeps pointing to one of them right there. Yeah, she keeps pointing. She's there. She really wants us to pay attention to that one. She really wants us to pay attention to it. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty though. I super love those soaps so much. I am very curious to see what the one is that she keeps pointing to though.
Yeah.
I am on tenterhooks.
Don't point to it again, please.
Yeah, that was funny. She just kept going in. Like, look at that one. I think this is the one that you just pulled. This one that you just pulled out of the thing is one she was pointing at.
No, it's that one because the dead penguin.
Oh, the dead penguin, yes.
Only one dead penguin.
Okay, well that's not too bad. We only cut the heads off of one of them, huh? That's not terrible. It could be worse. Oh yeah, well we didn't cut the head off. Well, that one's head gone off.
Yeah, that's the other side of the penguin.
Yeah, and Sissy's pointing at that one again too. Like, look, here's the other side.
Stop pointing at me.
He killed some penguins. Well, I think these bars are really, really cute, and they smell amazing, and I'm super proud of you. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good. I'm glad you had fun. I am glad that you got to come on and like talk to us about your awesome bars and your creative process and all that jazz today too. But then you have to do the thing and line everything up the way it's supposed to go, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're gonna decide on your favorites and put them all together where they're supposed to go. And you just decided not to, I guess. You wanted... Oh, you were looking at the other thing. That's right. But yeah, you did a great job, Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1. That is a day 363 Soap and Clay Kidlet number 1 soap. And there it is, Soap Clay Kidlet number 1 soap. And I love it, of course, because she's so good. Now, when she does her soaps, they're usually very, very technical. You remember the one that she did, and we talked about in the video, where it had like people in it, and then the rainbow. awesome. And this one is also awesome. I super love it. If you are interested in purchasing Soap Clay Kidlet #1 soap, you can totally do that at soapandclay.com. She gets all of the profit from that, and she can buy Robux on Roblox. It's a thing. You parents know all about it. Yes. If you're interested in seeing what we come up with for the last few days of year 1 and what our plan is for year 2, subscribe to the channel. That would be just fabulous. For those of you who are subscribed to the channel, hey, Sudsers, thank you for being fabulous. I appreciate you each and every day, and that will never stop being true. I'm out of here for today. Thank you so much for joining me for another round of 365 days of soap. I will see you guys all again tomorrow. Bye.